Well, the cup holders are off, and I was able to tip it up, protected the floor a little bit, and I lifted up as much as I could so I didn't put too much twisting pressure on those legs. Good thing I did it on that side. I was going to do it on this side because this side I thought was more stable with the bar, but turns out there was a whole thing, a nut or a bolt missing here or something. So that, who knows, that could have definitely been hard to do. So I'm going to take this apart. Go get some, well, I have some wrenches here. This is interesting how the ball return is. Hadn't seen that before, but I haven't examined a lot of tables, so. But let's get the legs off. Once we're done with these, it'll be much different. We'll see what we have to work with. We'll examine them closer in the wood shop. Oh, this is interesting. Look at that. Seems like that would have been on the floor. Oh yeah, it was. Huh. Hope we didn't dent the floor too much here. We did it gently last night, so this will be okay. Yeah, I don't see any. I see some snow from yesterday still here, but I don't see any dents in the floor. So we don't even know if these things will stay on. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to make that decision here. Surprising that one's so far so much different. Okay, let's take the legs off and we'll have them to work on in the shop.